First day of August was the last day of his life, and he left behind 3 children and a wife. Corporal John Walls was 27 when his orders came down from heaven. Afghanistan's a long way from Berks County, but it's the God-forsaken place that he chose to be. You never heard his name, you never saw